Henin gasngi ka spark kala Pynlong ya ka program Facilitation but Courseware lunch ha St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong. U director ka DSEL but u state project director SSA Simam u swapnil tembe ulawan bajashim benta ha kane ka program kum u kongsan. Habakren hakate gajingalang ulaong baki hap ban penjanai ya kajing tibet jongki ha kajing yakren kajing shania abat kajing tibet banjai beteng banjashim benta ha kajing yakop. Kaspak katmu ban penpoy ya kajing tibet bakongsan syaki samla jong kajilla kabalong kum kajaka sedang ya ki weipat ki program pen tibet bat penbha jing bha jing miat nakabenta ki samla.
The power of I don't know, so whenever you don't know anything, you should accept that. Say that out loud. I don't know. When we say I don't know, that ends our denial. Otherwise, we are living in denial. We don't want to make effort. So when we accept that I don't know something, I'll make effort to know that thing. Right? I'll do something about it. So this is amazing. This may not be very easy to understand, but when you do it, you'll understand how effective this is.
Mentapat nginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha